In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format messages in Slack. If you've ever sent a long block of text and watched it get lost in a busy channel, a little formatting can make all the difference. It helps your teammates scan, understand, and act on your message quickly, and it's all built right into the message box. Start by typing your message in the text box at the bottom of your Slack window. As you do, look just above that box. You'll see a row of icons. Think of these as your formatting toolkit. Everything you need to make your message clear and structured is right there, a single click away. You can emphasize key points with bold. Select the words you want to stand out and click the bold icon. It's perfect for labels, deadlines, or short headings inside your message. Use italics to add a little nuance, or call out a side note. Just highlight the text and click the italics icon. Underline can help draw attention to a heading or a key term, while strike-through is great for showing something is no longer relevant without deleting it, which preserves context for your team. When you have multiple points to cover, turn them into a list using the list icon. Lists make tasks, updates, or step-by-step instructions easy to follow. Use bullets for unordered points and numbers when sequence matters. If you're referencing something someone said earlier, or pulling in a line from a document, format it as a block quote with the quote icon. It indents the text and separates it visually so your reference is unmistakable. Sharing technical details or anything that benefits from a fixed width look, use a code block. Click the code icon and add your snippet or log lines. The monospace style keeps alignment intact and makes it effortless to read, especially for multi-line content. You can apply formatting in two simple ways. Either click an icon and start typing to keep that style going, or type first, then highlight the text you want to change and click the icon. Every icon works like a toggle, so if you change your mind, click it again to remove the style. As you format, aim for clarity over decoration. Short, bold phrases, tidy lists, and clean quotes go a long way. If a section starts to feel dense, break it into smaller parts or convert it to a list so it's easier to scan. And there you go. Those icons above your message box are all you need to format messages in Slack. Try them on your next post, keep it concise and readable, and that's all.